to use Site Build Buddy's AI to build a complete website. Enter your ideas. AI analysis in progress. Generate the website. Preview it. Discuss modifications with AI. Preview the website again. Implement button-click navigation with AI. Confirm modifications. Submit for testing. Connect the webpage to the management backend for data management. Share your website to see how it looks. Allow users to submit booking information on the site. Manage data anytime.